Which body cream should you buy in the supermarket if you have dry skin? Hey guys, I'm back with another body cream review. If your skin gets super dry, especially in winter, this might be exactly what you need. It's the Mixa Ceramide Protect Cream, packed with barrier strengthening, hydrating ingredients. Let me show you why this one stands out. So I've been testing this out for a while and I have to say it's seriously good. Mixa is not for making dermatologist approved formula, and this one is no different. It's designed for very dry skin and help to protect against moisture loss. This cream is loaded with skin-loving ingredients like squalane, ceramides, and glycerin. Squalane helps the skin maintain hydration, ceramides strengthen the skin barrier, and glycerin, a powerful humidant that draws moisture into the skin for long-lasting hydration. So together, this ingredient help to lock in moisture for up to 48 hours, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and protected. The texture is rich but absorbs quickly, so no sticky or greasy feel. I've been using this daily and my skin feels so much more comfortable, especially in this cold weather. My skin actually feels softer throughout the day and there is no tightness even hours later. So to wrap it up, if you're struggling with dryness or sensitivity, this could be a great option for you. So if you need serious hydration without the greasy feel, this might be the one for you. Have you tried any Mixa product before? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare review. Bye guys.